In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure core checkout settings, set up payment methods, and customize the look and feel in Shopify. Let's start in your Shopify admin. Open Settings, then select Checkout. Here, you'll choose how customer accounts work. If you pick accounts are optional, shoppers can check out as guests or sign in if they prefer. This usually keeps conversion smooth. Accounts are required is best if you run a membership model or need repeat customers to log in for access. Disable accounts removes the login option entirely and keeps things guest-only. Choose the approach that fits your business and audience. Next, decide how customers can contact you during the order process: email, phone, or both. Email is the default and easiest for automated notifications. Adding phone can help with SMS updates if you plan to use them, but make sure you only collect what you actually need. Less friction can mean higher conversion. Enable address autocomplete to speed up entry and reduce typos that can cause delivery delays. While you're here, review preferences like tipping options, which are great for service-based businesses or donations, and marketing consent. If you enable marketing opt-ins, keep the language clear and compliant with your region's rules. Now let's set up payments. Go to Settings, then Payments. Activate your providers. Shopify payments for major cards and wallets, PayPal for customers who prefer that flow, and any additional third-party gateways you need for local methods. Configure currencies, payout details, and any fraud filters or capture settings you plan to use. When you're done, place a test order to confirm everything works. If Shopify Payments is available in your region, use test mode to run sample transactions without charging a real card. If not, you can place a low-value order and refund it to verify the flow end-to-end. With payments in place, let's make your checkout look on-brand. Go to Online Store, then Themes. Click Customize on your current theme, and from the top menu, choose Checkout. Update fonts and colors to match your brand guidelines, and aim for strong contrast for accessibility. Upload your logo and, if you like, a subtle banner image that won't distract from the form. Adjust backgrounds, accents, and button styles so key actions, like Pay Now, stand out clearly. You can also tweak the main content area to keep it clean and focused. Preview on desktop and mobile, then save your changes. That's it. Your checkout is configured, payments are live, and the design fits your brand. Save test once more, and you're ready to sell with confidence.